Hey pros, so you know your girl was in Jamaica for a few days and we needed some very Americanized food, so let's make some spaghetti. Now I started off by browning some ground chuck as well as green peppers and onions, super duper simple, and then I did get all of the oil strained out and left just a little bit behind. Now we're not doing anything extra fancy, I'm just gonna use a little bit of Prego spaghetti sauce. We're just making a small pot and we decided to use some little squiggly looking noodles. I can't tell you the name, so don't even ask. But for the seasoning, of course, we're going to be using some onion powder. We're going to use some adobo. Why? Because we're using moon spice and it does not add sodium. We're going to use a little bit of garlic powder. Of course, garlic powder or fresh garlic will always work. Some black pepper. If you like white pepper, you can also use white pepper. And then we also added a little bit of heat by adding some crushed red pepper. Now, the star of the show, of course, is always going to be our moon spice. I'm using about 2, maybe 1.5 tablespoons of moon spice to really add some flavor to this baby. And then we already had our noodles cooked nice and al dente style, and then just added a lot of our sauce. Now we wanted this to be nice and thick and hearty. And guys, when I tell you this thing was so good, it was so good. So good. I would definitely recommend you try this out. Try out these noodles, switch it up, not just spaghetti noodles, you guys. And then of course, make sure you add some moon spice to all of your pots. Moon spice actually adds a lot of flavor, but you are able to control the spice and also the sodium. So you don't have to worry about it being extra salty, and you're gonna be able to get rid of some of that Larry baby. I used the bowl because, of course, I want to be able to add a lot of hot sauce to mine. I like hot sauce. And then we added a little bit of Parmesan cheese flakes that I got out of the cold section in the grocery store, and that was it. And this baby was prepared in less than 45 minutes because I just took my sweet time, but it could be a less than 30-minute plate. I forgot to mention that moon spice is actually back in stock. My bad.